No, I'm not excited about his new speaker. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do these things usually like Thursdays and Sundays when life permits. If you've seen my previous video with my Colourpop avatar collection, I did a Fire Nation look, and I'm kind of a little antsy. I know that was like just recently, but I want to do a water tribe look. And I know it's nothing grand, it's nothing big, very much, well, I mean, let me show you. Let me just show you the palette again, in case you don't remember. Mostly blues. I'm gonna try and stick with them. However, I am kind of like leaning into some earth and some air, so we'll see. I've already set up my face, my eyes. We're pretty much just ready to go. You're just waiting on me. Cool. And I'm gonna get to use my adorable little appa mirror again. Look how cute he is. And the inside it says yip yip. For sure, I'm just gonna be all over the place. Let's get into this, and you know, we're just gonna work our way around in here. I did my eyes. I am loving this whole look I have going on here. I don't know how well you can see it in the viewfinder. It doesn't look like it's too great, but I went in with the, what are you called? It's not Aang. I just want to call them by the character names. Blown Away. Came in with Blown Away and used it as a liner just at the end there. Like throw in some lighter color. And then I came in underneath with the Katara, which isn't called Katara, it's called Making Waves. Gotcha. So I think that really, I mean, it really looks nice. Growing up, my mom was very much like, ladies of the night wear blue. Only ladies of the night wear the blue eyeshadow. But this looks beautiful, and I've like come to love blue eyeshadow because it just pops and it stands out and it's amazing, and you don't see it, I don't see it too often anyway. I didn't really want to go in with a lip too much, but I'm gonna come in with the glossy lip stain in Sealed with a Kiss. I didn't want to do too much red, so I'm gonna try just a smidgen of this, see if it works, just like a bit. Yeah, perfect. Not a whole lot, just enough. And then of course I'm coming in with Moon Peach for my highlighter. Like, look how pretty. I've already used it a little bit enough, so let me just yes, look at that. I love it. It does come out really, really well. I don't care much for the Super Shocks from Colourpop. They are a really great formula though. They're like a powdery cream and then it dries down to like a nice powder finish, but it's got the creaminess in there to where it like melts and mixes with your skin and your makeup, so it's amazing when it comes done. And this is it. This is my Avatar Waterbender, Water Tribe look, I should say, with my Avatar The Last Airbender palette. I mean, pressed powder palette. Cute. I love it. I love it. I love the look. I love the blues. I think they're so pretty. I really, I'm in love. I'm excited to see a whole bunch of looks that come out. Let me know if you picked up the palette or the full collection. I went ahead and did the full collection just because I am such a huge fan of Avatar The Last Airbender, and I had to get everything. There wasn't even like a question of, okay, maybe there was at one point. I was like, do I really need the whole collection? There's no way. Like, I could do without. And I was just gonna get the cute little appa compacts, but then I'm like, if I'm gonna buy that and I love everything else and I know I'm gonna enjoy it, like, look at the color story. When I saw the color story, I knew I had to get the whole thing. It wasn't, and I did. And now we're here and we're doing this and I'm loving it. It's great. I'm just rambling with my adoration of the entire Avatar community, world, everything that has to do with it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you go, and I will see you next time. Bye.